Hi, my name is Alicia. I do interior design for a living, doing that for several years now. Part of doing interior design is looking at the whole home, inside, outside, making sure that everything is cohesive. When we bought our home like a decade ago,
It is exactly that ago, yes.
it was 50 shades of brown. And I was like, okay, that's changeable. So we made several phone calls, chatted with several different companies, got to understand their goals, their values, and what they want to do for their clients and customers. After about 5 different companies, not even a joke, maybe 7, I had a talk with my husband and I was like, okay, Pacific Exteriors, they're the one. They have a long list of benefits for us that the other companies did not. They have a project manager who I get to know first and last name basis. We were assigned Kevin Moody as our project manager. He was absolutely amazing, hands down amazing. I am someone that wants to know every detail, every step. I want to be a part of each step. And he remembered that. He made sure to communicate anything with me, even if it seemed small. He was right there giving me a call or giving me a text message to let me know what's going on. So I always felt in the loop. And providing that comfort is huge to me. As issues came up, once we started to remove siding, the benefit of them also having skilled people available to say, hey, we could also take a look at that and see if we could fix that for you as well.
But I think I speak for a lot of people too, because some people they don't want to get into too much details of it, right? They just want to be like, I have a budget, I want to get it done. Can you do it for me, right? I think what I love most is that they make it very much pain-free. Like, I want this to be done, awesome.
I think it's just really important when you are about to make a huge investment for your home that you do your research. The initial sit down with Abraham was a gentleman that came out. He provides a folder with all of the details, reviews, the Better Business Bureau. He provides all that information up front, which provides comfort for us right away. Highly recommend Pacific Exteriors. You are going to be in fabulous hands. Thank you, Pacific Exteriors.
Thank you.